Welcome to the CVA Course Catalog. The CVA Course Catalog is a really great resource that CVA offers to students and parents interested in the type of courses that you can enroll at CVA. It seems to me a lot like a college course catalog, which I really like. I think that it's set up very easy, it's easy to navigate, and it's not very confusing. So when you start off, you click Learn More, and it really talks about how CVA breaks up their lessons. It talks about when you enroll that you're assigned your academic advisor that will help you write your written student learning plan, which encompasses your goals and all of the information and benchmarks that students would need to meet throughout the course. It talks about how K-8 courses are book and paper courses or online, and all courses for grades 9 through 12 are virtual online classes. So what I like about this course catalog is that it lets you get a little bit of a taste of what CVA offers. So let's go ahead and find a course. So I'm going to select 4th grade ELA since that's my domain and I'm interested to see what they offer. Now CVA offers a ton of curriculums, and this is really to model and to meet their super personalized instruction. They want to make sure that students have exactly what they need to be successful. So offering these different curriculums allows you to take your learning a step further and personalize it on a whole different level. So let's talk about a few of them. So the first curriculum is the Calvert Language Arts curriculum. And the Calvert Language Arts curriculum is a homeschool curriculum. It's the most popular curriculum used at CVA, and CVA is the only public school in Washington that has a license and uses the Calvert curriculum. Within the Calvert curriculum, they offer science, social studies, language arts with some health and PE options. And you'll find the Calvert curriculum is most typically a scripted curriculum that uses textbooks and online resources. And students will need to complete the iReady assessment before this can be added into their WSLP. The next option is the CVA Language Arts option, and this is the book and paper, and then they also offer the online version. So the CVA curriculum is offered for ELA, Science, Social Studies, and Math, but let's just talk about ELA and Science and Social Studies. The CVA curriculum is designed for parents who really want flexible learning. It is basically a way for parents to really tailor their students' learning to their needs at home. So CVA will provide some suggestions, but parents have the ultimate say in how it's implemented and the schedule. It can be a really time-consuming curriculum, and it really relies on heavy parent support. CVA uses many programs in their custom curriculum, and some are Junior Great Books, Bob Books, McGraw-Hill, Story of the World, and ECT. And the great thing about the CVA curriculum is, again, its flexibility. And that's for the book and paper curriculum as well as the language arts curriculum. The curriculum that stuck out most to me is this MBTP curriculum, which is the Moving Beyond the Page curriculum. So Moving Beyond the Page is an innovative ELA science and social studies curriculum. So they focus on having no textbooks or workbooks and really stress critical thinking. To me, it really seems great because it focuses a lot on student learning styles, whether it's kinesthetic, visual, auditory, however the student learns best, and it really integrates real-world application. And unlike traditional grade 1, 2, 3, 4, it's focused on age level grouping. So let's select the Moving Beyond the Page Language Arts. So here you now have the option to view some course details. So you'll see the description of the course and the length of the course, as well as the total hours. So the description reads that in this course includes 4 aspects of language use: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. This course may emphasize independent reading and writing in a variety of assignments and require students to respond to different materials in different ways. Grammar and use of English language may also be emphasized. If we click here, we can go ahead and read some of the learning goals, and the learning goals can be customized by the CVA teacher and can be seen in the student's WSLP. So some of the learning goals that come with it are key ideas and key details, crafting and structures, integration of knowledge and ideas, range of reading and level of text competency. Students can read informational text. There's foundational skills, fluency, phonics, writing. So what I really like about this website and the CVA course catalog is you really get the big picture of what you're going to get out of these courses at CVA. You can also continue to review the curriculum, and you're able to see the books that students will read, and really just how it all ties together. And I like that it's all laid out for you here, so you really can continue on to see the timeline and how students' time will be spent. They've really thought of everything when they put together this course catalog website. I think that it really helps you see how your student is going to learn, and parents can use this site to make really informed decisions when selecting a course. I'm going to select a different course really quickly because I do want to speak about math. So I am going to choose grade 4 math. And again, you can follow the same thing. You'll see the curriculums offered. So they do offer 4 different curriculums. So we've got the Calvert curriculum, which is also used in the Math 4 curriculum. So these curriculums kind of go together, paper and book and online. It's through the Calvert curriculum. It focuses a lot on problem solving and concrete and abstract thinking. Then there's the Math UC, which is a multi-sensory math curriculum. And they offer courses from kindergarten to Algebra 1, and it really focuses on skill building. And then the last is the Saxon Math Homeschool curriculum, and this is the most popular homeschool curriculum across the nation for homeschool students. It focuses on grades K through 12, and it starts with increments in development, reviews, and assesses students' learning all around. Let's just go ahead and select this one so we can take a quick look at the course details, some learning goals. You see all your math domains, a deep dive into that curriculum and how the students will receive it, whether it's a teacher's edition, a textbook, a workbook, and media. I like that a lot. I think that's really great. It gives you a big picture of the type of learning that you'll be doing with the curriculum. And then the timeline, again, broken up. It shows you the pacing guide and just how the lessons would be taught throughout the semester. All in all, I think CVA does a really great job with outlining the courses that they offer. You can scroll through and find courses for kindergarten, language arts, grades 1 through 8, math, grades 1 through 8, science, social studies, PE and health, art, world language, photography, technology, English college prep, English language arts for high school, pre-algebra, all the different kinds of courses that CVA offers, you can find here, and you'll get very similar things. The curriculum, how the course is paced, the type of learning that it will be. I really think that they went to extensive lengths here, and it's super easy to navigate. All in all, I think that they did a really superb job with developing this course content curriculum book for students and parents to explore before they decide to enroll themselves at CVA.